So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a page break here into Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, I simply have page break typed in right here, but you can type whatever you want. So I'll just say this is a whatever page with text. Now, if you wanted to add a page break, it's super simple. Go to the top left here to where it says home, right beside that it says insert, press on insert. Then right on the top left here, it says cover page, blank page, and below that it says page break. So if you were to go ahead here and press on page break or insert a page break, what it'll do is actually break up the page right here and add another one to your document. So what you can do is go ahead and just type in whatever you want, page break. You can go back to the top here, press on this, and then press on it one more time, and it'll do the exact same thing. Sort of breaking up your document. This is, more so adding a page to your document wherever you may wish. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to insert a page break here into Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.